Check out this Kia 2019 Stinger GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are a 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.